Hello students, under the topic applications of derivatives, here we have problem 8. The question is, the total cost function y for x units is given by y equal to 3x multiplied with x plus 7 divided by x plus 5 plus 5. Show that the marginal cost decreases continuously as the output increases. That means we have to show that the marginal cost is inversely proportional to the output. Now, what is this output? Output is nothing but the x. The x units that we have in the question is known as the output. We have to show that the marginal cost is inversely proportional to x. So that is the idea of the problem. So for that, first we will take the function given y is equal to what? 3x multiplied with x plus 7 divided by x plus 5 plus 5. Now first we have to find the marginal cost in order to prove this. So in order to find the marginal cost, we have to differentiate the cost function with respect to y. So because marginal cost is dy by dx, it is obtained by dy by dx. Now in order to differentiate this, first we shall simplify and write this. So y is equal to, let us multiply this 3x within the bracket. So when it gets multiplied with x, it becomes 3x square plus, now 3x has to be multiplied with 7, and so it becomes 3 7 times is 21. So 21x divided by x plus 5 plus 5. So this is the function y. Now using this we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx we have to find, where we will be making use of the formula v square v multiplied with u dash minus v multiplied with u dash minus u multiplied with v dash. This is the reason for using this formula is we have u by v form over here. So where this u will be equal to the numerator, which is 3x square plus 21x, and v will be the denominator, which is x plus 5. This 5 when differentiated, since it is a constant, anyhow it is going to become 0 only. So this alone we are bothered about. So dy by dx will be equal to, now what is the denominator? V square. V is what? X plus 5. So it will be x plus 5 the whole square. And then v multiplied with u dash. V is x plus 5 multiplied with u dash, the differentiation of this. So 3x square when differentiated, we get the differentiation for x square is 2x, and 3 gets multiplied. So 3 2 times is 6. So it will be 6x plus x 21x. The differentiation of x is 1, and so we will have 21 over here. So this is done. Then minus u multiplied with v dash. U is what? 3x square plus 21x. This has to be multiplied with v dash. V is x plus 5. The differentiation of this is x is 1, and this becomes 0, and so therefore we have 1 over here. So on simplifying this, we get, now x has to be multiplied with 6x, so that we get 6x square, and then with 21, so plus 21x, and then 5 with 6x, so 5 6 are 30, so we have 30x, and then 5 multiplied with 21, which will give us 105. So plus 105 minus 3x square, and then minus 21x, the whole divided by x plus 5 the whole square. So on simplifying this, what do we get? First we will gather the terms. We have 6x square over here, and 3 minus 3x square over here. So 6 minus 3 will give us 3x square. And then we have 21x over here, and then 30x, and then minus 21x. So these two gets cancelled, and we get plus 30x. And then we have this 105 left out. So plus 105 divided by x plus 5 the whole square. So now in the numerator 3 is in common, so 3 can be taken out, And so we will be having, if you take 3 outside, it will be x square plus you have 10x plus this divided by 3 gives us 35 divided by x plus 5 the whole square. So we have taken 3 in common. Now this x square plus 10x plus 35, we have to make it a perfect square. That is, this x square plus 10x will be taken as a square plus 2ab. Now we have to find b square and add and subtract it. So that is what the perfect square means. So if it is 2ab, so this 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. So we have to add and subtract 5 square with this term. Or you just remember, in order to make this problem go ahead, you see the constant in the denominator. We have 5 here. So just add and subtract the square of 5. For this problem alone it will work out. That is these kind of problems. So anyway, so 3 multiplied with, we will be having x square plus 10x as it is. Now in order to make it a perfect square, I am adding 5 square, and since I have added 5 square, I am also subtracting 5 square, and then I am having plus 35 as we have in this problem, divided by x plus 5 the whole square. The reason for doing this, you will understand it shortly. Now here we have x square plus 10x plus 5 square, which is like a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the formula is a plus b the whole square. Now a is x over here and b is 5, so x plus 5 the whole square we will be having. So 3 also we have outside, and x plus 5 the whole square minus 5 square is 25 plus 35 divided by x plus 5 the whole square. So that's equal to 3 multiplied with x plus 5 the whole square. What is minus 25 plus 35? It will be plus 10. So plus 10 divided by x plus 5 the whole square. Now this denominator is common to both the terms. So we shall split up the terms. So it will be equal to 3 multiplied with, when it is splitted up with this, so it becomes x plus 5 the whole square divided by x plus 5 the whole square, plus it is also for this term, so 10 divided by x plus 5 the whole square. Now this and this will get cancelled, and we get this to be 3 multiplied with, when it gets cancelled it becomes 1. So 1 plus 10 divided by x plus 5 the whole square. So therefore we have proved that the marginal cost, that is dy by dx, is inversely proportional to x plus 5 the whole square. That is, this output x is in the denominator. So as this this output increases, the marginal cost will decrease. So therefore we have proved that the marginal cost decreases continuously as the output increases. The reason is it is inversely proportional. So whenever a quantity is inversely proportional to another quantity, so as one decreases, the other one will increase. So as one increases, the other one will decrease. So as x increases, the marginal cost will keep on decreasing continuously. And so hence we have proved that the marginal cost decreases as the output increases. So I have just taken and written here, marginal cost decreases as the output increases. So this is a very important problem in the examination point of view. Kindly follow the next video lecture for a problem of similar kind. Thank you.